Do you ever feel like you're spinning your wheels trying to make money online? You're trying to figure out how to start an online business. Everybody else seems to have it figured out, so why can't you? Don't worry, it's not just in your head. Most people are focused on the wrong thing entirely, and there is a habit that successful online entrepreneurs do that most people don't talk about, but they really should. And so that's why I'm making this video today. By the way, if we haven't met before, my name is Brooke. And why should you even listen to me talk about this in the first place? Well, because I make money online myself. That's how I make my full-time living. And so yeah, that pretty much sums it up. If you want more of a backstory, I've been an entrepreneur for 12 years, going on 13. I've tried all sorts of different ways to make money online. Like, you name it, I've done it. So here's the problem. Most people are failing, and I failed myself too in the past, because I was in this mindset trap of thinking, like, what's the easiest, fastest way to make money online? And it was like this obsession with just binge watching a ton of YouTube videos, because they're kind of addicting. When you see something titled like, I make 6 figures a month selling print on demand, it's kind of like, oh, well, if this person can do such a simple thing and make 6 figures a month, like, I can do that too, right? This is what I'm saying. Of all the different things that I've tried, I always went about it with this mindset of, I'm gonna make a ton of money fast and easy. That's the problem. So here is the habit that changed everything for me. When I stopped asking myself, how can I make the most amount of money in the fastest and easiest way possible? And I started asking myself, how can I create value for others? That is when everything changed. If you want to make money online, stop worrying about what you're going to get, like how much money you're going to get and how fast, and start focusing on how can I create value for somebody else today. It's almost like you're putting on like a different colored pair of sunglasses, you know, like let's make an analogy here. Let's say the habit that doesn't work is like you're putting on a poopy colored pair of sunglasses and you're seeing the world and everything that you do through the lens of, how can I make the most money fast? Well, take the poop glasses off and put on some sunny, bright yellow glasses and start asking yourself, how can I create the most value for somebody today? When you do that, that affects everything that you do. And then money flowing to you becomes like a natural byproduct. Like, it just starts happening. And I know that because I've lived that myself. Now, you might be thinking, how do I create value for others? And what does that even look like? Well, there's different ways that you create value. Creating content is one of them. So like a YouTube channel is an example of that. You create videos that are valuable for other people. Basically anything that you publish. It can be video content, written content. You can send out a newsletter. You can write a blog. You can write an ebook. There's so many different formats that you can publish content on, and specifically a YouTube channel is like pretty much the most effective thing that you can do. You can reach out to somebody and offer to help them. Reach out, help them for free. Don't expect anything in return. I can't even tell you how many times I've done this. Like, I have just reached out and helped people, or I have done things proactively without being asked. Like, for example, I saw inside of like a private entrepreneurs group that somebody was asking for help. He wanted feedback on his landing page. There was like a thumbnail image and all the sales copy and all this stuff. And this was like a few years ago before AI could write all the sales copy for you. Anyways, he was asking for feedback. And so I saw there was a ton of comments on this Facebook group post of people offering feedback. And instead of commenting on the post, what I did instead was I created a whole brand new thumbnail for him, and I wrote the sales copy for him. I redid it in a way that could be way more effective. And then I reached out, I sent him a DM, and I was like, hey, I saw in the group that you were asking for feedback on your landing page. I just redid the entire thing for you. Do you want to see it? And he was like, yeah. Like, what? Who does that? You know? And so I was like, okay, well, here, I sent him my Zoom link. I'm like, here, meet me in my Zoom room and I'll show you what I did. And if you like it, you can feel free to use it. So got on Zoom, we ended up chatting for like an hour. I shared my screen. I showed him the whole entire like new sales copy and thumbnail image that I had created for him. He was completely blown away and he ended up using the entire thing. Yeah, I mean, I totally like revamped his landing page, his sales page for free without asking for anything in return. And that is a perfect example of creating value for others. Like, it doesn't have to be through a YouTube video. It can be reaching out to a real person and doing something for them that creates real value in their life. I have so many other examples of things that I've done like that for other people to create value for them, make their life easier, solve their problems, anticipate a need and fill it, proactively. The byproduct of that has been I have a very successful online coaching business. And I've done that through attracting clients to me, never having to go and find them. And this is why, because I just make it a habit to create value for others, period. Another simple thing that you can do to create value for others is encouraging other people and inspiring them and cheering them on. I mean, sometimes people just need to know that they're doing a good job. You can do something as simple as complimenting somebody. That creates value for others. It feels good to get a compliment. That's valuable for somebody. Do you see what I'm saying? There's different ways that you can create value for others. So feel free to run with it and have fun with it. When I asked myself today, how can I create value for others? It's I could make a YouTube video talking about this. Another thing you can do to create value for others is by creating free resources. For examples, check out my description box below. I have a ton of free resources for people to help them get started with their own online business. And again, all of those were created with that same question in mind. How can I create a super valuable resource for somebody for free? How can I help them? How can I create value for them? Those free resources turn into paid clients eventually. And so you can do the same thing. The point is, ask yourself, make it a daily habit. How can I create value for others? And if you do that consistently over time, you will start to experience money flowing to you as a result in ways that you probably never expected. It's happened for me. It's been absolutely amazing. My hope with making this video is that it inspires you to go out and do the same thing for yourself, if that's something that you want to do. If you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Check out the free resources if you want to get started with an online coaching or consulting business. And watch this video next because YouTube thinks that you're going to like it. Bye.